Hey.
How you doing?
This is Thaddeus Reagan.
Captain Thaddeus here. We're gonna go out and catch some fish and cook them on these solar grills. Get the GoSun going today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's gonna be fun.
He's shot 4, he got 3 in a row. Woo! Oh, now that is a big, healthy, happy bass.
Yeah, we stopped out on a little island out here in the glades. It's a great place to fillet up some fish, and we don't even have to start a fire. We're just gonna put the fish in the grill and let the sun do its job. Great to eat. This reminds me when I was a kid fishing with my grandfather.
That's all these little. They changed all the maps.
That's some good stuff.
He's weird.
We're sharing it with our friends here.
Our new friends. What a great chance to fish out in the Everglades and learn from a master. Thad really does use his GoSun every chance he gets, including when he's got guests on his boat.
Imagine going to the beach and having to carry all that stuff for grilling, like with the proper grill, with the charcoal and the fire and the lighter fluid. Why do you want to carry all that stuff to the beach? And plus, a lot of beaches or campsites don't even allow you to build fires anymore. So, I mean, why not take the GoSun and eliminate all that? You save time. Your food is cooked in a more natural way. It doesn't have all the carcinogens in it. You're not putting smoke into the air. It's a lot simpler. I mean, there's so many reasons why I would rather just take the GoSun to the beach.